Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today in this video we will be seeing an evening snack or a morning breakfast recipe using overripe banana. We'll be seeing how to prepare mangalore buns using wheat flour. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 medium size overripe banana, 2 cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of thick curd, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed or jeera, salt as per taste, 1/4 to half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of homemade ghee. Firstly, to begin with, peel the outer skin of the banana and place this into a mixing bowl. Mash the bananas well with the help of a masher to prepare the fine banana puree. Once your banana puree is ready, into this add 2 tablespoons of thick curd, sugar, jeera or cumin seed, baking powder, salt, and give all the ingredients a good mix. Next, into this add the atta or wheat flour and knead this well into a soft and fluffy dough. Finally, into this add the homemade ghee and knead this well once again. Once your soft and fluffy dough is ready, cover this and allow this to rest for minimum 8 to 12 hours or overnight. After resting this overnight, we can see that our banana buns dough has raised nicely. Knead the dough well once again. Now take small portions of the prepared dough and prepare small balls out of it. Next, sprinkle some wheat flour on the surface. Now take the banana buns ball which you had prepared previously and dust both the sides with some wheat flour or all-purpose flour and spread this flat with the help of your hand or a rolling pin. Make sure it is not too thin and is of the thickness as shown in the video. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add oil enough for deep frying, and once the oil is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and into this transfer the banana buns puri which you had previously prepared. Deep fry this in low to medium flame until it is nice and fluffy and the color changes into a little darker shade. Once your banana buns are ready, transfer this into a plate with tissue paper topped on it so that it can absorb any excess oil if there is any. Now our delicious banana buns are ready. We can see how nice and soft it is, and also it has nice layers on the inside. This can be had as such as an evening snack or a breakfast recipe, or you can even serve this along with some coconut chutney. So do try this recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.